This Millennial Realty property video is presented by Donna Blanton. Why rent when you can have over 1,900 square feet for as little as $1,200 per month? Freshly painted, super spacious townhome, the size of a home without the maintenance of doing all the yard work. 3 bedrooms all have their own bathrooms. Third bedroom can be used as second master or great room. Extra large kitchen with island, leads out to a screened-in porch, fenced-in yard and 1-car garage. Formal dining room and living room with fireplace. Large upstairs nook is perfect for an office. Extra bonus, this unit also has tons of closet space and storage. Great neighborhood and perfect location with sidewalks for daily activity outside. Whether you like swimming, playgrounds, or local soccer fields, Olympic track or football, this location has it all. Carrington Ridge townhomes are nestled in a large single-family home community with green trees and friendly faces. Now more than ever, activities outside in the fresh air are key. For more information,